Today I would like to present to you this plate roll ready for immediate delivery. But also this one that is all set here in our warehouse in Italy. This is a 3-roll with variable axis with a rolling capacity of 170 mm. And this is always a 3-roll with variable axis, but with a rolling capacity of 182 mm. These are 3-meter heavy-duty plate rolls, flexible, the perfect solutions for rolling with the shortest flat end, but also for re-rolling and cone bending, with the highest safety and productivity. Moreover, only if you purchase one of these 2 machines by the end of the year, you will get a technician certified by Davi for 3 months at your plant, completely for free. He will help you with your daily production and with the training of your operators in order to make them expert rollers. Do not miss this unique opportunity and get in touch with our sales team in order to discover more about these promotions and about all the plate and angle rolls we have in stock.